Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pri Mustafa Adian, NPM 23405021103. In here, I will explain material about introducing myself. This chapter explain how we introduce ourselves to other people. What do you usually say when you introduce yourself? Apa yang biasa kita katakan ketika kita memperkenalkan diri? There are several points that must be included in introducing yourself. This is a name, origin, address, age, and hobby. In the first point, this is name. We can say our name as a starting point for introduction. We can use sentence like my name is or I am. For example, my name is Pri Mustafa Adian or I am Pri Mustafa Adian. And point 2, short name. We can tell our short name so that other can get know us more easily. We can use sentence, you can call me or people usually call me. For example, you can call me Prime or people usually call me Prime. And then point 3, origin. Origin, usually we mention the area where we live to people to provide information regarding the house or resident. We can use sentence like I am from or I come from, but the sentence have the same meaning. For example, I am from Purworejo or I came from Purworejo. Next, address. Mentioning the address aims to provide more detailed information about we live. Usually mentioning the name of the street or the name of the village. We can use sentence like I live on, for example, I live on Tentara Pelajar Street number 3. And next, point 5, age. Age can be added as part of the self-introduction. I'm to provide information about our age, and I usually follow it by stating our year of birth. We can use sentence like I am 19 years old or I was born in 2004. And then a hobby. Hobby are usually at introduction to provide information about what we often do to fill our free time. We can use sentence like my hobby is, if we have one hobby, and if we have more than one hobby, then use the sentence my hobbies are. For example, my hobby is playing game. Those are some of points mentioned when we are going to introduce ourselves to others. I will give an example of introducing myself to others. For example, hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Prime Mustafa Adian. People usually call me Prime. I came from Purworejo and I live on Tentara Pelajar Street number 3. I am 19 years old and I have a hobby that is reading books. I often that activity to fill my spare time. Thank you.